In this video, we are going to discuss about Unit 3 Matter around us. Matter. Anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. Some of the example of matter are gas, air, liquid, water, solid and wood. Matter. Matter is all around us. The air we breathe, water we drink, and the material we use are made up of matter. Matter is defined as anything that has mass and takes up space. States of matter. Matter is found in three major states. They are solid, liquid, and gas. All matter is made up of atoms. Atoms are the smallest particle of matter. They are so small that we cannot see them with our eyes. Atoms are molecules. Gold is made up of tiny gold particles and water is made up of tiny water particles. These tiny particles present in all matter are called as atoms or molecules. The particles in matter are extremely small and cannot be seen even with a powerful microscope. Imagine that a piece of thread is cut endlessly using knife. At one point, it would be like a small piece that it cannot be further cut by a knife. That small particle may contain millions of molecules and these molecules are made of atoms. Matter is made of such smallest particle atoms. The diagrammatic representation of matter, molecule and atom are shown here. Characteristics of the particles of matter. Particles of matter have a lot of space in between them. In different forms of matter, this spacing will be different. Let us add a spoonful of a sugar to a glass of water, then stir it well. Sugar disappears completely. Water particles have space between them and sugar particles are now occupying those spaces. Grouping of matter on the basis of physical states. Matter can be grouped into solids, liquids and gases based on the above characteristics. These are called the physical states of matter. Diffusion. Diffusion is a tendency of particles to spread out in order to occupy the available space. Solids are tightly packed and they do not diffuse like liquids or gases. Particles in a solid. In solid, the particles are tightly packed with a very little space between them. Example, stone. You can see in the picture that it is closely packed. Particles in a liquid. Particles in liquids are arranged in a random or irregular way and the space between the particles is greater than that is in solids. Example, water. Particles in a gas. The particles in the gases are arranged far apart. They move freely. Example, air. We can say that air is also a matter. Though we cannot see it, it occupies space and also has mass. Here we can see the compressibility of gases compared to liquids and solids. First one is solids are not compressible and second one is liquids are hardly compressible. Third one is gases are compressible. Liquefaction of gases. Liquefaction of gases is the process by which substances in their gaseous states are converted to the liquid state. Difference between solids, liquids and gases. First point, solids have definite shape and volume, whereas liquids will not have definite shape. Liquids attain the shape of the vessel in which they are kept. Gases have neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. Second point, solids are incompressible, liquids are compressible to a small extent, gases are highly compressible. Third point, there is a little space between solid particles. Particles are tightly packed or arranged. In liquids, these particles have a greater space between them. Particles are not tightly packed or arranged. They are free to move. In gases, the space between gas particles is the greatest. Particles are very loosely packed or arranged. Fourth point, in solids, the particles attract each other very strongly, whereas in liquids, the force of attraction between the liquid particles is less than solid particles. In gas, the force of attraction is least between gaseous particles. Fifth point, In solids, particles of solids cannot move freely. In liquids, these particles move freely. In gas, gaseous particles are in a continuous random motion. Pure substances and mixtures. For a chemist, the word pure means something else. A pure substance is made up of only one kind of particles. Pure substance may be elements or compounds. An element is made up of same kind of atoms. A molecule consists of two or more atoms. Compound is a substance formed by the chemical combination of two or more elements. Mixture is a physical combination of two or more substances. Matter, where matter is broadly classified into pure substance and mixture, and pure substance is classified into element and component. Mixture is classified into homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Mixture. A mixture is an impure substance and contains more than one kind of particles. In the mixture, the components are mixed in any proportion. We mix rice, dal, salt, chilies, pepper, ghee, and other ingredients to make pongal. Pongal is an example for mixture. Why do we call these as mixture? Because they are made of two or more ingredients or components. Air is a mixture because it contains oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water, water vapor, noble gases, and other gases. Milk is also a mixture. It contains water, fat, protein, etc. Lemon juice is a mixture. It is prepared from lemon extract, water, and sugar. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe.